So we are going to discuss about the rules of limits. First, we will start with the addition rule. So for the addition rule of limits, we can say that the limit of x equals to a, x tends to a, f of x plus g of x, that will be equals to limit x tends to a, f of x plus limit x tends to a, g of x, which means that we can separately do the limit of the functions and then add them. So this is known as the addition rule of limits. Okay, so next rule is the subtraction rule. So in the subtraction rule, what we will do is the limit of x tends to a, f of x minus g of x. So this will be given as limit x tends to a, f of x minus limit x tends to a, g of x. So just like the addition rule, it means that you can separately do the limits of the functions and then subtract g of x limit from f of x limit. So this is the subtraction rule. We will talk about the product rule. So in the product rule, limit x tends to a, fx times of gx will be given as limit x tends to a, f of x times limit x tends to a, g of x. So just like the subtraction rule, here also you will be separately doing the limits and doing the product of the values. So this is the product rule. So for the quotient rule, limit x tends to a, f of x over g of x can be written as limit x tends to a, f of x divided by limit x tends to a, g of x. This you can also write in this form: limit x tends to a, f of x over limit x tends to a, g of x. So you can write the quotient rule in any of these two procedures. You can say the constant multiplied with function. So in this particular rule, limit x tends to a, k times of f of x. So this can be written as k times of limit x tends to a, f of x. So here the constant does not participate in the process, it is taken out of the system.